how to delete messages from Instagram. Firstly, you need to launch the application. Then when you get into your feed side section on the first side, you need to scroll on your right side and get to your chat selections. From there, you need to select a chat section with someone, for example with this person, and then you can type whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna go with World. And simply, if you want to delete these messages right here, simply go on the first one, tap and hold on that message, and simply, as you can see, you have 3 different options. You need to go on the second one, which is unsent, and right here, as you can see, you have description side, which is from the supporting team of Instagram. It says that unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but they may still be included if the conversation is reported. Go OK, and now I'm going to show you how to get up and delete also that message just as the same side. Just go top and hold on it, then go unsent, and right here, guys, everything's done.